Hello and welcome everybody in today's video. In it I'll be showing you how to buy Binance coin on Binance. Firstly, before that, I'd like to mention our sponsor for today's video, MEXC. If you want to trade quickly and easily online, check them out in the description down below. The link is there. Also, I offer it's FTMO. If you want to trade with other people's money, if you want to keep up to 90% of the earnings for yourselves, go over there, prove to them that you have the skill and knowledge to be a professional trader, and they will give you up to 200k of other people's money to do that with. Alright, so buying Binance coin on Binance, BNB, go over to trade. You can either do it via the conversion method, let's bold, select BNB over here, and then select your currency that you want to buy with. It can be USDT, it can be Ether, it can be anything that you have. For example, right now I'm going to be using USDT because I have 50 to spend on that. Let's say tap in 15, click preview conversion, and that's worth 0.037, and click convert if you're happy with that price, and bam, successfully bought $15 worth of BNB. Other method is going on the Binance trade, the classic trades. Let's get BNB USDT, type in BNB over here, select the USDT one, or depending on which one you want. If you're buying with Ether, select that. If you're buying with Strain and those, etc. Okay, so let's buy 15 again, and click, just type in the total you want to spend here of the currency here, or just the amount you want to buy. Like if I want to buy 5, it will be this much. I want to buy 0.05, it will be $20. So I usually prefer to do it like this to know how much exactly I'm spending, if I'm not exactly chasing exact amount. And let's say I'll decrease this by 1 just to have quicker buy. So when you place an order here, you have on it placed on open orders. This means that the order isn't still fully confirmed. That means that nobody has bought your USDT for those BNB, and when the order is fully complete, you have the funds transferred over to your spot wallet, and it will pop up here in order history. As you see, I've bought BTC, I've sold BTC, as well in trade history when buying, and your all types of funds will be displayed here. See, from what we previously bought the $15 worth of BNB. That's pretty much it. If you want to cancel it, you can just click cancel order here. It will display that just canceled. Whoops. And that's pretty much it. I hope it helped. Remember, this isn't any financial advice. See you next time.